Pre-arrival. Port operation meeting. Loading. After the loading plan has been prepared, the master should check the plan. The master will advise on any necessary changes, and Chief Officer should make the necessary revision. The final loading plan must be approved by the master. The Chief Officer will hold a pre-cargo meeting with the officers and deck crews to brief them on the approved loading plan. The Chief Engineer must also be present at this meeting. Items to be discussed. Ship's schedule. Grade and amount of cargo to be loaded. Duration of loading operation. Duration of deballasting operation. Preparations for entering port. Preparations for mooring. Terminal safety regulations to be observed. Precautions while in port. Precautions for special operations. For example, commingle loading, load on top, batch loading. Precautions for high H2S content cargo. The Chief Officer should notify the galley members about port regulations and garbage management during stay at port and berth. The Chief Engineer will notify the engine department on the items discussed in the pre-cargo meeting. Prohibited items such as cameras, pornographic material, gambling material, alcohol, and videotapes and discs should be kept and locked in the sealed lockers prior entry to the port.